Acting Chief Fire Officer Daniela Mawusinto Sapona Kasee chiremu say fire tenders dodo no abadada anyin ye wo say yesesa sano nom ne ade nanso ni nyina mu no wo mani age fi 2026 budget no aban aka de ato ho say yebenya 100 new fire tenders letumi aboa ma wo wadwuma wo ye no onho ato
education and inspection process. Despite all these achievements, we must acknowledge the challenges that hinder our ability to fully deliver on our mandate. A significant proportion of our fire tenders are obsolete, with an average age of 15 years. Every fire officer was therefore filled with joy upon the announcement by the government, and particularly the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, who has plans to procure 100 fire tenders and other extrication equipment during the reading of the national budget for the 2026 fiscal year at Parliament by His Honourable Minister of Finance. Nonetheless, about 80 districts still lack fully and functional, compelling existing fire stations to cover large jurisdictions with limited capacity. Additionally, there is a growing need for specialized training in emerging areas like industrial fires, management, marine fire, disaster coordination, forensic investigation, addressed by government funding alone. They require a sustainable and well-coordinated partnership with all stakeholders. The private sector can play a vital role through partnership to help bridge resource gaps by constructing and adapting fire stations